Hello family, welcome to my channel. Miss Dosha here. Today we are going to cook our African village snack. Kindly, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, like, comment and share it to your friends. Let's get into it. Straight away, mom will begin by preparing virazi. She will then add water, measuring with her own eyes. Let me know in your village how you measure your water. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Mom and I will help each other peel the boiled virazi. Remember, this is Giriamaland, coastal Kenya, Africa. Quickly, I will go ahead smashing the boiled virazi. I will then add little maize flour. This is baking flour. Followed by a mixture of ilikim, dalasini, hamira, and sugar. At this time, one has to take very good time in mixing. When it comes to rolling, I will do it in different shapes of my choice. Let me know in your village what shapes you love. Quickly, I will place the pan on fire. This is coconut cooking oil. In our home, this is the best snack we take after dinner when we are feeling very cold. Quickly, we will dip it in hot oil. This snack is very soft, and that is why we take it after dinner. then repeat till the whole mixture is done. Let me know in your village how you do cook. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. The aroma is the best, so appetizing. Today is a bit cold, and that is why we are making this type of snack. Apart from the black tea, we always accompany it with dawa. Let me know in your village if really you know to make a concoction of dawa. So today we are taking with black tea. Let's serve our tea. This region is a very hot area, though at times you can experience the coldness. Let me know in your village what climate is like. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. Kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel and yet to turn your notification bell on for you to be notified when a new video is up, please do so. Like, comment, and share it to your friends. Remember, at Miss Dosha's family, we always remind you to be your own kind of successful beauty. Peace.